Are you bored? Do you need a Corona hobby? Hello, thanks for joining me. My name's Michelle. Today I wanted to talk about creative hobbies that you can take up at this time. Now, a lot of people have a lot of time on their hands right now. Either they're working from home and they're not traveling, or they're not working at the moment, but hopefully you're in a place now where you feel that you can be a little bit creative. Lots of people say to me, I wish I was creative, or I used to be creative and now I'm not anymore. Anyone can be creative. I just want to tell you that anyone can be creative. Today I'm going to share with you 3 hobbies that you can take up now that are creative in nature, but doesn't mean you have to be an artist. So let's have a look at them. The first one is cross stitch. Now, before I got involved with weaving, I used to do cross stitch all the time. I started off helping someone else with their designs, and then I started designing my own kits. Now, I do have kits and patterns available on my website. Link will be on the description box down below. Also, I did a whole video on how to cross stitch, so go and check that one out after this one. But it is a great, really easy hobby that you can get into. You can start off with easy things, but then you can work your way up to designing your own cross stitches later on down the track. I might do a video later on about designing cross stitch, so let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in that. Next is sewing. Now, I know a lot of people might roll their eyes when they hear about sewing, but really sewing is quite easy to learn. There are plenty of online tutorials. In fact, I'm going to link in the description box down below to the Stitch Sisters who have online tutorials. Some of them are free, really easy to do. It doesn't mean dressmaking. You can also do quilting, you can do applique, you can do embroidery. There are lots of different types of sewing that you can do. If you've got your own machine, get started. There's so many easy beginner patterns around. I might do a video about the whole thing about designing your own wardrobe later on down the track, but right now have a look at some of the resources that I've put down below and see if it might be something that you can get into. The last creative hobby I'm going to mention today is drawing. Now, drawing is another one that people have preconceived ideas about. I can't draw, I've never been able to draw. I didn't think I could draw either, but once I started drawing, I realized that anyone can draw, and I actually quite enjoy drawing. In fact, now that's a big part of my art practice now. So just forget the preconceived ideas, just get out pen and paper, draw things in your house, draw still lives, go outside. There are plenty of online tutorials to get you started. I'm going to link in the description box down below the channel of Minnie Small. She's really inspirational and does a lot of filling a sketchbook type of challenges. So I'll put that in there for inspiration. So they're just a few of my initial suggestions. Please tell me in the comments down below if you've taken up any creative hobbies around this weird time in the world. I've actually taken up indoor plants. I've never been a gardener. My partner does all the gardening in our house, but I've decided that indoor plants are a really lovely addition to my studio here and also inside the house. So hopefully I don't kill anything. I haven't so far. So let me know if you have any new hobbies that are making you feel more creative and trying to make this time in the world a little more positive. Until next time, bye.